Hello and welcome to Sorcerer's Workshop, where we are always cooking up something new for you to use in your next D&D adventure. Today on 3 Minute Miniatures we have the Behir. This is a huge creature, a lizard slash dragon slash lightning breathing thingo. This was a really cool model to make. I tried a new technique which I'll explain in a moment, but first I'll just give you a general overlook of it. You can sort of see that it's mainly sort of a light blue, dark blue sort of model, but the sort of different gradients of these colors was quite fun. This is, I'll get the comparison miniature in a second, but this is quite a large model. The new technique that I used, I'm just pointing out that it does have indeed six different legs, so 12 in all. They took a long time to make. The new technique that I used though was, once I'd made the body out of the sort of XPS foam that I normally make my models out, I covered it in a thin layer of toilet paper, or just paper towel. I can't remember, one of the two. They work the same. As you can see, it gives this really cool sort of hide skin sort of texture, which I actually really like, especially for these sorts of creatures. So I did that all over the body and then sort of the upper part of the leg. You can see I didn't do it over the bottom part of the leg, but I think it still looks alright. Here it is compared to a miniature, so yeah, it is on a huge base, and you know, it could almost maybe swallow a human whole, which is actually one of the things it can do. It can do a swallow attack. So as for the paint, it was first just painted sort of a cyan color, which is turquoise and a bit of blue, I think. So more blue than green, but hey, you know. That sort of coloring all over. Then on the top, I did a couple of different layers of. I did a dark wash, then a black wash, then a second black wash, I believe, just on the top. So literally anywhere other than the head that I could see from the very top is just painted washed with this sort of dark color. Then for the underbelly, I did almost the same thing but with a really light wash, and then I also did some dry brushing on the underbelly. For the head, I just did a very light, very light, not dry brushing, wash, all these words, over the top, but that basically completed the model. I really like this model, and I hope you do too. If you do, make sure to like and subscribe so I know. And other than that, I shall see you in the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.